Ah, the fireworks are beautiful. No, it's stupid! Please stop this madness! Calm down, Toad. I'm not talking about it! What's that? It's a pipe. Should we fix it or something? Okay, we better just destroy the street. You did a terrible job. I'm not proud of you. Wow. Stuff we already know. Help me, I'm dying! I need help. Help me. Wheel! Help me or I will die. Jesus, it's dying! Wait, what was that from? I don't know. You're mine now. Help me! Ow. Wait, what? Goodbye. No, I'll help you because I'm an idiot. Mamma mia. Ay. Screaming sounds. Wait, why Mario's looking on those? What happened to the other? What happened to Blue Toad and Peach? Or I don't know. Oh no, we need to save them. Now we're panicking. Mario, what's going on? I don't know, but you know what's gonna happen today? What? It's Frannie's birthday. Oh, you mean one of SpongeBob's friends? Yeah. But then we need to go find a birthday present. Yeah, we do. But what about the fairy? We have enough time to save her. Yeah, 2 point. And I know what just to do. What are you gonna do, Mario? I'm gonna do it, Luigi. No, Mario, no, please, I'm gonna do it. No, Mario, no, please, I'm gonna do it, Luigi. No, Mario! Dang it. Mario, look what I found. I found salad. Did you say you found salad? Yes. Why it's blurry? Because, you know, the stupid phone. Oh, yeah. Look, salad. Oh my god, Mario, what are you doing? Why are you doing that, dude? Stop doing that. Why are you doing this? I am jumping on your salad, Luigi. Damn! For all serious, Luigi, we need to go find a present for Frannie. Okay, first I'm gonna turn into a bubble. Wait, hold up. Why you do that? I don't know. Yeah, I'm too lazy to walk. I'm the lazy one. Mario, if you turn to a bubble, you know we have to start this all over again, right? Mario, don't do it, please. Mario, don't. Mario, please don't. Oh, you paused it. Wait. Oh my god, Mario, wait! This is a fairy. I don't know why we're doing this anymore, Luigi. Come on, Mario. I know we can find a present. You said it yourself. Yeah, I know. Dang it. How do I get out without... Wait, hold up. Okay, I'm out. Wait for me. Really, Mario? Oh my god! Google Gaga, Mario. Go. Yeah. Okay, Mario, I'm back to my normal self. So this is the birthday gift? Yeah. Alright, let's take this to Frannie and we can end off this day. Okay, Mario, let's go. Alright, come on, let's go. Grab it, Luigi. Okie dokie. Later. Hey, Luigi, we have to hurry up. Time is almost up. We got a perfect amount of coins. We got her birthday gift. Got 2 green scars and... Yeah, we always been there. Let's say we don't have like 1 minute left. Come on, Luigi, you have to go in. Okay, Mario, let's do this. Let's go. That's my line, Luigi. Okay, sorry. Luigi forgot to jump, so I have to stay here while he's in the bubble. Let's go ever. That was fun, Mario. Yeah, that was pretty fun. Yeah, but for all serious, Mario, we should really find a birthday present for Fanny. Yeah, I'll just give her this 2DS. Ladies and gentlemen, Derek to sing happy birthday to Fanny.
Happy birthday, Frannie. Happy birthday.